Yeah. Today I will be doing my abstract of Juan Manuel Gonzalez for transformational leadership practices of Title I school principles. This is his dissertation. The purpose of the study was to discover transformational leadership practices of Title I school principles. The was 1996 education model of transformational leadership was applied as a theoretical framework for his study to discover transformational leadership methods. A comprehensive review of the literature produced by Leithwood's 1996 model of the transformational leadership as a theoretical framework for his study. Leithwood's framework centered on three categories of transformational leadership practices: seeding dynamic narrative approach, DNA Hyatt 2011 was selected for the study. Two, the principles practices responses to the interview questions reviewing DNA method, which allowed for individual and group participation. The participants were Title I school principals from a large urban K-12 school districts in California. Validator was established beginning with a review of an extant literature, followed by a review by a panel of experts who informed the study. Consequently, was increased through a process of reliability findings. The study identified 12 principles practices that align with transformational leadership. 4 practices were seen distinct, 4 practices were developed, and 4 practices for redesigning the organization. While not major themes, 2 additional findings of interest also emerged. Conclusions: the research adds to the distinct field of educational transformational leadership practices by identifying practices of Title I school principles that display the transformational leadership by providing specific practices. The advanced principle leadership, the research help for theory into practices. Recommendations: continue research in needed to further organization Title I school transformational leadership with additional populations. The findings of this study offer Title I principles research-based support for developing transformational leadership practices.